ito, importante rin talaga yan, laro yan.
Oo, importante yan. Kasi maaring ma-decide kung sino ang hindi
Itong last
sasama.
few games.
Yeah, kung sino ang hindi mag-move forward. The heartthrob of the Ateneo basketball team, 1969-70.
Talaga?
At binibiro ko yan, of course. That's Richard Palu, our president of Sports Vision. Also played in the Mika. Kasabay nila Rosalio Martires, champion teams of the San Miguel team before. Oy!
Oh!
Uy! Load up!
Caballejo on that combination play.
Si Judy, he doesn't strike you as a flashy player. She never is. Efficient lang. Grabe lumode up talaga itong babaeng to. 16-12. Hello. Suzanne discovering that their pakyut doesn't work today.
That was really challenge yung opensa ng Smart and Air Force winning it.
I call those motions by Suzanne mga pakyut niya, yung mga palaro-laro niya sa net. Ngayon medyo basang-basa
Huli.
siya. Oo.
Well, Smart now 6 attack points, 2 block points, and 3 serve this points. Ang Air Force 3 attack points pa lang, pero may 2 blocks na rin at isang service point.
Jem Ferrer got that in place. Suzanne trying to issue some soft stuff. Cases ayaw. Pinulot ni Ruby De Leon. Kumuha ng picture.
Yun na.
Guliman.
na.
Hello!
Save! Grabe, ang ganda ng pagkakasave to ni Cases. Process. Mistiming it. Sasabihin ko pa naman kanina, yung pick up ni Jem at binigay kay De Leon. Imagine nakapag quick set pa dahil si De Leon ang nandun.
Exactly. Alam mo yung kay Suzanne, she was looking at the spot, not at the ball. Yung that, she lost something during
Yung eye
that...
contact, yung eyeball contact.
Process, tosses it up. Guliman, malakas, pero Caballejo handles it. Cases! Ay, huli si Joy. Lamang pa rin po ang Smart, 17-14. Well-played game so far. And we expect it to be so... Alam mo, kulang sa numbers ng Smart, but these are some very good players.
Oh, yes.
Very heady players.
That's right.
Mga veterano na rin to, mga lola na rin to. Except si Soltones.
At saka mga superstars in their own
Own
school.
time and own right.
Own time.
17-15. Let's take a look at that play. Mosi, tingnan mo to.
Joy Cases blocked by Ruby De Leon, pero yung bola bumalik pa rin. So, point goes to Philippine Air Force.
Wendy Semana is with our Mikasa official ball here in the Shakey's Wheelie.
Oh!
Guliman.
Oh, perfect combination right there. Etong si Guliman. Talaga naman, ang ganda ng timing, oh. Si Jem giving it right. Right height, right moment.
Sakto no?
Saktong-sakto.
Nika Guliman pouncing on that opportunity, gives her team 3-point lead. Long. Walang spin yung bola. Palong-palo na... Wala, parang plak na ang palo.
Flat.
Flat. 19-15.
Soltones now with 3 points. Suzanne Roses with 2. Caballejo and Ortiz tag-isa na.
Balmaceda is out of sorts here. Hindi niya maitas ang bola. And that's difficult if you are the libero of the team. The player who has a different uniform. Let's try to listen into the Air Force timeout.
Magsalita kayo, ikaw magdala sa kanila kasi hindi namin kaya dalhin dito sa labas. Sige, kayo mag-usap sila, napapalo ka lang. Ikaw, mga agaw ka, panindigan mo yung agaw mo, ayoko nang ginaganon mo. Ha? Pag-aagawin mo na talaga, sigurado nga agawin mo, huwag yung nag-aalim-aalim namin ka. Ha? Ano yun? Yun yung laro na attack coverage natin. Pero hindi naman yung pumapalo. Diba? Dalawa natin sa fight.
Beware when women decide on something. They got the message there loud and clear. The Wendy Semana got a serving there. She has to speak. Alam naman natin si Wendy, napaka-laid back yan. Hindi masyado nagsasalitaan, but they need her to communicate something on the floor so they play better. That's long. But they call it in.
I think it really caught the line. I mean, at least from my angle.
And the linesman right on top of it, Wendy was hoping that was long. It did look long, but Mosi had the better call in the linesman as well. 21-15.
Yan ang long. Yan ang long.
Sabi ni Ruby, baka sakali lang naman makaulit Bakit ba naman? 21-16 and Ramones will be serving. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Now it's Nika Goliman and Ortiz in front. Magandang labanan to.
yes. And sorry, I called her name wrong. Lisa De Ramos will be serving it again. 17-21. Rosas, Jem, Guliman. Medyo bistado yun. Niload up. But Ruby, she's playing well defensively. She can be libero if she wanted to.
Napwestahan naman niya yung bola. It's just it was too much. Just too much power on that last running hit by Ortiz.
I like this decision on their part to let Jem do the setting here. Kasi mas makakapalo nga naman si Ruby. Hindi naman talaga tagapalo ito si Jem. Cases long.
Oh, not enough spin. Was trying to go for a check.
Hindi lang juice yun. May yelo pa. May asukal pa. Loaded talaga yun. 22-18. Roger and his magnificent 7. Reverse set, ganda.
Running
Familiar.
ulit. Oh.
This is the money play of UST when they were trying to catch up, trying to close the set. Watch this.
Why not? It's very familiar kasi tatlong UST players ang nasa harap for the Philippine Air Force. At home na at home.
Yep. Casas. Gohing. Ferrer close to the net. Soltones cranking it up. Rhea. Balik uli kay Ortiz. Hulid. Palmaseda tinas Cabalya. Sabi, alis dyan. Semana sa spray ball na lang tayo.
Oh, and that goes wide. Soltones wanting to go down the line pero
Parang indecisive siya, no? Hindi niya alam
at
kung...
tumama pa dun sa net sa tape
exactly.
ng net.
Tough ball to handle. And here comes the Air Force flying in.
Ito, isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Smart in this first set.
Roger has nobody to commiserate with, so he'll just stand up. Joy Casas. Soltones to Semana. Caballejo, patay. Tabla na po.
And Caballejo using the blocker of Smart to get that point. Ang nagiging problema kasi hindi maibigay ni Jem Ferrer dito kay Soriano on a quick dahil hindi masyadong magaganda yung first balls.
Yes.
So,
Nothing to work with, ano?
Yes. So, alam na kaya agad ng kalaban na pag ganun, sa open mapupunta yung set.
Jem has to dump it over. Medyo malakas yung reception on. Net play again. Soltones hijack. Soriano keeping it in play. One more time. Too close to the net. Winalis. Tinaas. Binagsak.
So, si Soltones, nakikita mo, nagiging creative na eh.
Nakikipagharutan na ron eh. Rhea de Maculangan has to stretch for that Caballejo. Gohing.
Chance for but Jem goes for a dump.
Taas. Matagal ito. Longest rally.
Soltones once again, but it is just so well read already. Bantay na doon, and you have Di Maculangan and Ortiz who has been partners in crime for the longest time in UST.
As in this case.
Yes.
And Roger Goroyev needs to talk to the people on the floor.
Bumaba na. Pag tumatagal, bumababa na yung abot sa bola. Imbis na tumas, bumaba na ng bumaba. Yung mo na kayo, patakbuhin mo na yun. Tapos pagka pagtakbo na yung sa gitna lang. Ha? Pagtakin mo. Nandun sa dulo, west. Pero check yung bola. Hindi yung malayo pa sa net. Check mo. Kunin mo sa taas. Ang problema kasi
Giving the young players some pieces of advice. And we have a good collection of fans who went out after bumuhos ng ulan.
Oh.
Kasi umaraw na eh.
Pwede naman din yung iba talaga namang...
Kanina pa eh, no?
Oh.
Ayun, ang ating mga faithful.
Correct.
The V-League faithful.
Again, thank you so much. Ang ganda naman ng servisyo na yun.
Oh, si Joy, galop talaga eh. Charo tried to be creative. That's a power hit if there ever was one.
You know what you want about Rhea Di Maculangan? Habang nagkiklik itong si Ortiz, binigay niya, binugbog niya si Ortiz hanggat hindi huli. Kaya naman talagang, ito, ang score natin, 1 puntos na lang ang kailangan nila para makakuha ito.
Puslit ang mangyayari nito pag
Diba?
nakuha eh. No? Hindi na naka-score. Ang smart actually.
Ang ganda ng desisyon dito ni Rhea Di Maculangan. While it's hot, dun siya, binugbog niya si Ortiz doon sa running.
Caballero going chance. Soltones now muffled. Huli. Taas pa rin. Sigawan sa likod. Caballero. Tinaas. Going. It looks like a set. Charo. Cases. Too close. Huli. Ferrer battling. Bukas ang tapos nito.
Okay, Suna binigay doon sa likod.
Tapusin na natin ang set.
At doon pa rin natapos. Sa running pa rin ni Micah Ortiz.
What a way to finish that first set, and Smart, which was in command, suddenly lost their grip on that first set. Watch this. We're having fun here, and we'll be back after that shake and play.